Introducing the HipStar, a universal travel cart that allows you to carry heavy luggage without breaking a sweat. The breakthrough design allows the user to move without impeding natural motion. With your hands completely free, you can walk and run comfortably. The patented design allows your luggage to be perfectly balanced on two heavy-duty wheels, while the shock absorbers and flexible harness dampen any uneven motion. The cart can be fully adjusted based on load weight, user height, and waist size. Want to take a break or stop to pull something out of your bag? The HipStar can stand independently in a vertical position thanks to a retractable kickstand. And if you ever need to travel over more challenging terrain, convert it to backpack mode without ever having to unstrap your bag. And of course, you can pull it like a regular suitcase using the top handle. Is it possible to hook up the HipStar to a bike? Of course. The additional bike adapter quickly converts it into a bike trailer. The HipStar can be disassembled into a flat and compact mode, ideal for long-distance transportation or storage. Get ready for a whole new world of adventures with HipStar.